High-performance cars, cinematic reviews, and real driving experiences. Only at Shift and Go, there's performance in every shift. This is the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, the brand's first-ever plug-in hybrid supercar, a wild fusion of tradition and innovation, where a naturally aspirated V12 meets electric power for a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. But is this really the future of Lamborghini? The Revuelto looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie. Sharp lines, massive air intakes, and that iconic Y-shaped lighting design. Around the back, you get a clear view of the exposed V12 under a transparent cover, plus a quad exhaust setup that screams performance. Step inside, and you're not in a car. You're in a cockpit. The Revuelto features a futuristic triple-screen layout, including a 12.3-inch digital cluster, an 8.4-inch center touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. The interior is sculpted with carbon fiber, leather, and hexagonal design cues everywhere. Let's talk numbers. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 350 kilometers per hour. Under the skin, you get a 6.5-liter V12 plus 3 electric motors, 2 up front, 1 in the rear, with 13 drive modes ranging from full EV to track-ready insanity. It's fast, it's futuristic, and it's not cheap. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto starts around $600,000. And yes, it's already sold out through 2026. This is more than just a car. It's a bold statement from Lamborghini about where performance is heading.